Hello. We are discussing about GATE 2014. GATE 2014 question. This is asked on BJT, and here we need to calculate the transconductance for the given VBE and VT values. Just we will read the question once. In BJT transistor, VBE is 0.7 volts and VT is 25 millivolts. Reverse saturation current is given as 10 power minus 13 amperes. We need to calculate the transconductance, and it must be in milliampere per volt. Transconductance is going to be given as is called as GM is transconductance, which is defined as IC divided by VT. It is can be approximately equal to IE divided by VT. IC and IE is going to be approximately equal, so that we can write GM is equal to IE by VT. IE is nothing but IE is emitter current. Emitter current is nothing but current flowing through emitter base junction. For a transistor to be act as amplifier, at that time emitter base junction must be in forward bias. So emitter base junction is going to be looks like a diode, and for that one it is going to be in forward bias, and IE can be written as in this one GM is equal to that IE can be written as reverse saturation current IS multiplied by e power minus VBE divided by VT, and whole divided by VT is nothing but GM. And out of this one, we know that one IS value is given as 10 power minus 13 amperes, and VBE value is 0.7, VT is 25 millivolts, that is 0.025. You can write it. So all must be in the same units, so you can write this one as 0.025 volts. So now you can write it as IS 10 power minus 13 into e power minus of 0.7 divided by 0.025 divided by 0.025, or 25 millivolts. So by that time you are going to be getting it as 144 millivolts, and this is 144 milliamperes divided by VT. The final answer you are going to be getting it as 5.785 ampere per volt, and in terms of milliamperes 5785 milliamperes per volt. So this is the answer. In the BJT transistor, if VB is 0.7 volts, VT is 25 millivolts, and reverse saturation current is 10 power minus 13 amperes, then the transconductance is 5785 milliampere per volt, or 5.785 ampere per volt. Thank you.